Good morning, class 6. Today in chemistry, your chapter is elements, compounds, and mixture. Now, what is matter? Things that is surrounding us, like this telephone, table, chair, book. All these things are occupying some space. Like if I am keeping this thing, then the area that is occupying, it is occupying some space. So, and have its own mass, how it is made. So all this together is gives us an idea. These are things which we can see, but our surroundings like air that we cannot see also occupy space. How can we understand? When we blow a balloon, in the balloon the air is struck and we can find that air have space. In science, anything that occupies space is termed as matter. So this is a matter, and the space occupied and the amount of space it is occupying, that is called volume. The amount that is contained in the matter is called mass. Now, what is composition of matter? You have seen sugar cubes. When you break a sugar cubes into smaller parts, each part will taste as the whole sugar cube was tasting. So breaking that particle into smaller parts will give us, as small as we go, it will give us the same taste. But there is a certain time when we cannot break that part anymore. Then at a certain point we have to stop. So that part will not, the smallest part, which might be as small as a dot in like this small full stop, that much small, that will also have the same taste as the bigger sugar cube. Now the smaller particles that have changes without changing its property is still there, those are known as molecules. The smallest part of the big particle is known as molecules, and when that molecules is also broken as a dot of a pen, that is known as atom. A tiny invisible particle of matter that combines two molecules is called an atom. Smaller atoms combine to form are molecules. Molecules combine to form substances. Okay, atoms we cannot see it independently, but molecules we do. We cannot see atoms or molecules without with our naked eyes. Molecules also cannot be seen. Okay, because they are too small. We are surrounded by a number of millions of things which we cannot see, and there are different types of atoms also surrounded around us. But now we know only about 180 different types of atoms is known by us, by the scientists. They have discovered 180 types of atoms, among which 92 are found in the nature and rest have been created in the laboratories. Everything is not found in the nature, some are also made in the laboratory. Thus matter is made of molecules, and molecules are made up of atoms. This is like an word making with an alphabet. For that, first we have to know the alphabet, then with the alphabets we come to know to make a word. So atom is that first line and alphabet, and molecules is the second part when we join two atoms to make a molecule. When molecules are combined, then substances occur. Then when we combine words, one letter, a word is formed. This is how matter is formed. Now, classification of matter. Matters are classified into two groups: pure substance and mixed substance. Pure substance can be further divided into elements and compounds. Mixed substance, it have to be classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous substance. What are pure substance? Pure substance are two definite molecular composition in a fixed property. They are made up of same types of molecules or atoms, like gold, silver or salt which we eat. It is our example of pure substance, because if we add something to gold, it will change its texture, color, it becomes an alloy. So gold itself is a pure substance. Okay. Gold is made up of gold atoms and silver is made up of only silver atoms. Like I can tell of water, water is made up of 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. The composition is fixed. In water, the composition will never change into 3 parts of hydrogen and 2 parts of oxygen. No, it will be always 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. Water, if you take a molecule also from the waters, then also we will have the same composition. We cannot have a molecule of water that has a different number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms or some other atoms. Water molecules will not contain any other atoms. And definite properties also, pure substance has a specific physical properties. Whether you are melting it or boiling it, smell, taste, everything. The chemical properties, for example, water or any source will always, if you boil it also under normal condition, it will be same. So for today this much.